In this video, I am sharing the Melodysusie S Series SC320G nail drill. You may be familiar with this nail drill. This is one of my favorites from the past, and they've upgraded it. So if you're interested in seeing what has changed with this nail drill, then stick around. So before I open it up and we look at the nail drill, I'll just share a couple things I always show at the beginning. Melodysusie always gives a thank you card when you order from them. They have all their social media handles on the card so you can find their sites easily and everything about them. They also always include this pamphlet, which is really good because it does show you all of the polishes they carry. I don't think the newest polishes are on this yet, but you can find that on their site and all of their dust collectors, drills, brushes. I think there's some on the back here too. Yes, there is. Some UV LED lights, just a big mixture of really great products from Melodysusie. I use them all the time. They're my favorite. And they always send the cute little stickers of some of the items they carry. So let's get looking at the Melodysusie S Series SC320G nail drill. This drill I used to use all the time. I actually had it for quite a few years. It held up so well, but they have improved it. So I'm really excited to get the newer version of it. It's changed. And we're going to pull it out and I will explain everything that has changed with it and take a look in general. Maybe you have never seen this drill, but you may have seen it in a lot of my previous videos back a year or two ago because I used it for quite a few years. It held up so well. It was honestly my favorite drill. I love this one, so I'm glad to have a new one. Always packaged really nice from Melodysusie. So they have a warranty card. So if you have any issues, the warranty information is on the back. And of course, an instruction manual, very important, so you know exactly how to use it and everything about it. And I'm sure it has troubleshooting in here. Really important information you need for using this drill. And make sure you get yourself familiar with it before you just start using it on yourself or a client. So here it is. I chose the pink one. They have it in white as well. My old one was white, and I love this drill. You now know which one it is. If you didn't remember the name, you'll remember by looking at it. It was very, very popular. It probably still is. I happen to use the Melodysusie this drill now. I have that video in the top right hand corner where I shared this one, and I love this one. I love this one. I had this so long I wore it out almost. Like it was still working when I finished using it, but I had gotten acetone on it and it was time to use a new one. So when I reviewed this became my new one. It's so good. So this one, the exciting thing that is different to start with, this is cordless and rechargeable. So you're not going to have a cord, whereas the old ones, you had to plug them in. They weren't rechargeable. So that is a neat feature in itself. So let's pull it out. It's got the LED screen and this comes off. This is protecting it from being in the box. There it is. I'll show you. So I'm going to be showing you how this works, but I'm just going to pull everything out first. And here's the handpiece. It says Melodysusie. It's a really nice pink as well. And it's got the open and close, the lock, unlock. So you unlock it, you can pull the bits out. They put this in. Always good to keep this in when you're not using it. It protects the handpiece, and then locking it up and it doesn't come out. It also comes with, of course, to plug the handpiece into the actual drill. So we're going to line these up and put them in. And then this piece, the other side, is going to go in here. So now this is ready. And what I love about this, I'm going to actually move this aside, but what I love about this drill is the fact that the handpiece goes right there. It's so convenient. You can take this with you because it's so compact and it's all together. And on the top, I should show you as well, it's for your bits, which I always loved having the bits on there so I could grab them easily. And then the actual hand pieces in there. Really a nice way of having this on your desk. And now without a cord, rechargeable and cordless, that's going to make it even better. So here's your cord for charging. And I should tell you about charging. This will charge in 2.5 hours, which is really nice. And then you'll have all day power with this unit. So you're not going to run out of power as you're working on clients or yourself. It also comes with, there's the piece to plug in the cord. It comes with sanding bands. I think there's 50 in here. It also comes with your standard bits, mandrel bit, and then some diamond bits for doing cuticle work. And that is everything in the box. So I'm going to get this charged and we're going to take a look at it better. So the cord for charging. Oh, and it looks like it has a foot pedal plug-in too, which I never use, but some people maybe like that. But this is your charging port, so I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to plug it in, and I'll be back once we've got it charged up. We'll just look here before we go. I'll plug it in to see if it shows it's charging. So there it is. So the battery is showing it's charging. As you can see, it isn't blinking on my end. For some reason, the camera shows it like that, but the little battery is blinking. So that means it's not charged yet. So when it's fully charged, it'll all be lit up and it'll just be full. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this drill while it's charging. This drill goes up to 30,000 RPMs, which is nice. So it's perfect for a professional like myself in doing a client's nails, for removing bulk product, removing color, checking for lifting. I always have it at that highest speed for doing that. And if you're not as confident with using this, then put it at a little bit lower speed if you're new to doing nails and using an e-file or a drill. So I am going to turn this on now. I'm going to pull the hand piece out and we're going to listen to it first here. So you hold the button and that turns it on. So I'm going to go up to 30,000 RPM so you can hear it. So there's 30,000 RPMs. It's really a nice sound. It has very, very low vibration. There's no heat, which is really nice. I love all of Melodysusie e-files. They always work so well and they cause no issues, and it's nice and lightweight as well. So it shows right now on the screen, it says forward. So I'm going to click it. You double click it. Now it has reverse, and now it's at 30,000 RPMs in reverse. Do you see the R there? Now this screen is not flashing at all. On my end, it's just because the camera is videoing it that it is flashing. Still don't know why it does that, but it does. So I'm going to turn it down now. Really nice. I'm just going to turn it off for a second. And there's the handpiece in there. And the battery is 4,000 mAh. And that's what makes it long lasting once it's charged. I think that's everything I need to show you with the drill. I'm just going to grab some bits. This is a Melodysusie one. Love these. And their little sanding bands that go with it. But of course, that is where your drill bits will go, which I love. So it's very compact. You can take it with you. Of course, I have it charging right now, and this will be full once it's done charging. There won't be any cords. It's nice and compact. It honestly is one of my favorite e-files or drills, whichever you want to call it. It sits very nicely on a desk. That's what I think I loved about it the most. So I'm just going to take a nail here and we're going to remove a little bit of product so you can hear what it sounds like. And I'm going to get my dust collector for Melodysusie out as well so I don't make a mess. So now I'm going to remove some color off this nail and let's try it out. I'll turn it up to 30,000 RPMs. I'm going to unclick pause. Ready to go. Turn my dust collector on. I won't talk while I'm doing it. So that removed the color really nicely. It was a very low vibration, low heat. I love it. It reminds me of my old one, besides the fact that it's newer and improved and cordless and rechargeable. I highly recommend this drill. I'm probably going to be using this next once my other one is done because I really love this drill to begin with way back, and I'm going to put it back on my desk. It's one of my favorites. So I want to thank Melodysusie for sending me this drill to share with you. Let me know if you've used the old one like this before, if you're interested in purchasing the new one. I think it's wonderful that they brought this one back out and improved it. It's such a great drill. If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? And I will see everybody in the next one.